At home or spit, we made our home. Motorhomes parked by the restless sea, where Alaska's beauty surrounded me. The tides rolled in from the distant bay, then slowly drifted back away. Fishing boats danced upon the tide, while mountains stood on the horizon wide. The midnight sun would linger long, painting evenings with golden songs, and campfires glowed beneath the light, though it hardly ever felt like night. Friends gathered close as the daylight glowed, sharing stories from life's winding road. Camp chairs circled on gravel ground, with laughter becoming our favorite sound. The salty breeze swept through the camp, past every motorhome and lamp. Coffee brewed in the morning light, while gulls sailed freely in their flight. The midnight sun would linger long, painting evenings with golden songs, and campfires glowed beneath the light, though it hardly ever felt like night. Across the water the peak stood tall, guarding the harbor through it all. Snow-capped giants touched the sky as clouds drifted slowly by. Some wandered shops along the shore, others watched eagles soar. And when the evening painted gold, the beauty seemed too grand to hold. The midnight sun would linger long, painting evenings with golden songs, and campfires glowed beneath the light, though it hardly ever felt like night. The sunset burned across the bay, ending another perfect day. Orange and crimson filled the west, as nature offered up its best. Then stars emerged above the sea, shining with quiet majesty, beside good friends and RV lights. We cherished those Alaskan nights. The midnight sun would linger long, painting evenings with golden songs, and campfires glowed beneath the light, though it hardly ever felt like night. stretched beneath our wheels, through lands so vast they seemed unreal. Snow-capped mountains touched the sky, while eagles soared and rivers ran by. We traveled north in our faithful rigs, past towering pines and mountain ridges. Friends beside us, mile by mile, sharing the road with laughter and smiles. Some nights we camped beside a lake, watching morning mist slowly wake. Other nights by rushing streams, living out our Alaskan dreams. Our motorhomes formed a little town. In every place where we settled down, doors swung open, coffee brewed, and friendship flourished in every mood. We watched great glaciers shining blue, ancient wonders coming into view. Their frozen beauty seemed to say, slow down and treasure each passing day. Stories were shared beneath the sky, as northern clouds drifted by. Old adventures and dreams anew, growing stronger with every view. We followed roads through mountain passes, past wildflowers and open grasses, along the coast where oceans gleam, and through valleys fit for a dream. The miles rolled on, yet none were lost, for every road was worth the cost. Not because of where we've been, but because of who we traveled in. For Alaska's beauty is grand indeed, its glaciers, mountains, forests and seas. But the greatest treasure we came to know was the friendship carried wherever we go. And when the journey reached its end, we left as travelers, returned as friends, with memories written beneath northern skies, and Alaska forever in our hearts and